Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So now we will start our preparation for Airport Authority of India Recruitment 2023 for Junior Executive Common Candidate. So as you already aware of this recruitment, I already made the notification video. If you didn't check that, then in the comment section you will get the link, right? Form will start on 5th of August, so no worries. We have some time till then, right? Now in this video, the most important discussion we will do that how you can prepare, what is the syllabus, then expected exam date and everything. Lots of things we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, so before starting preparation for any recruitment, some motivation points should be there that will drive you till your exam day, right? For whatever months we will get for preparation, you need motivation to prepare for this exam, correct? So your first important point as a motivation is this opportunity is from Miniratna PSU, that is public sector undertaking. Now those who are asking me that what is PSU, okay, those who are new, so see, basically there is a difference between PSU and central government job. This PSU job is not fully central government job or not a government job, okay, 100% not is a government job. PSU means this company is owned by government, okay. It is not complete government job, it is just owned by government. What is the meaning of that? That government of India, that is our central government, have large share in this company, okay. So you can say this is semi government company or this company is controlled by government, okay. So you can say like that. So I hope this doubt gets clear now that what is PSU and central government. Second thing, this is most important, that is this is Miniratna PSU, okay, Miniratna category 1 PSU, and to get the status of Miniratna you should have good profit over last 3 years at least, okay. Means what, this company is running fairly, there is no problem in that also future, okay. Growth is there in this company, and definitely if you will be part of this company then you will also grow, correct. So this is the first point, that this is the opportunity from Miniratna. And one more important thing I will tell you, that as compared to central government job, okay, your salary will always be good in PSU, okay. Other than whatever perks and benefit you got in PSU, that definitely you will get, so there is no problem in that. And most important thing, that learning, okay, in central government mostly in some of the department there is no work, so just you go there, sit and come back home. But here always you will learn something new, okay, the challenge will be there. And definitely those who have growth mindset, if you want to grow yourself, not just financially, okay, salary wise, but also your understanding and learning wise, then this is definitely a great opportunity, okay. The second most important point, that is there is no negative marking. Now most of the aspirant with us are from IBGO recruitment, and you know that negative marking was there and how much problem you face, right? But in this recruitment there is no negative marking, so you will attempt all questions, whatever questions I will tell you, exam pattern soon, but you will attempt all questions, there is no tension. And I always say that when there is no negative marking, your 30% pressure will get down in your exam hall, okay, just remember this always. And the last and I guess biggest motivation for most of the candidate, that is salary, and which is 13 lakh CTC, okay, 13 lakh CTC. This is the annual package when you will join as a junior executive in Airport Authority of India. Now if you are fresher and you are joining some company, suppose let's say example of IT company, then mostly you will get package around 4 to 4.5. But here in the start, only in the start of your career, you are starting from 13 lakh CTC, so definitely this is good, right? And if you will get such start, then definitely you will grow faster as compared to other. And if you want to know more about Airport Authority of India and junior executive job profile, then one podcast you will get, that link I will give in the comment section. So I will recommend you to get the motivation, you can watch that podcast. Lots of idea related to your Airport Authority of India you will get in that. Okay, so now obviously it is not like I told you and you will get the job, okay. Definitely some challenges are there. So what challenges we will face by Airport Authority of India? First and most important thing is your time. So see, always for Airport Authority of India, time is very less, they give us very less time. Now definitely those who prepare for IBGO, not that much less they give, but still time is less, okay. So as per that only we need to work smartly, okay, so that in the stipulated time we should complete our whatever required syllabus, correct. The second thing, that obviously now you can see here 200 plus vacancies and all graduates are eligible, so because of this you will face huge competition in this recruitment, okay. And always the history says that whenever there is huge competition, cutoff for this exam will go up, okay. And you know that this is the direct recruitment, there is no interview, there is no nothing, just based on your CBT score they will shortlist you for the position, right? So for this recruitment, cutoff will be also high, but definitely now how to overcome these challenges? First thing, time. So for that we have our master essay pack and phrase wise strategy and block wise strategy. Okay, these three will take care of this, and I will recommend you don't look at this competition. Okay, because obviously we want one seat, so just focus on improvement, just focus on your concept building, and definitely this cutoff you will pass. Okay, for sure. But main thing is, with dedication and seriousness you should prepare for this exam. Then only I will recommend you to fill the form, otherwise don't need to fill. And those who are MSP student, if you want to target this exam, before filling the form do consult with me. Okay, this is most important, and then after our discussion you can take your decision. Now the most important question, that is second question, what is expected exam date, right? We should have some target before which we should complete our syllabus along with revision, along with mock test, right? So now you can consider tentatively your exam is scheduled in the month of October, and you can say first or second week. Okay, so now the thing is that we will consider first week only, and as per that only we will do our planning, means whatever planning I will tell you, as per that only according to first week of October. So till 25th to 28th September we will try to finish everything, correct? Now see, basically if you are lucky then you will get second week also, what I told you, if you are lucky, but mostly consider your exam in October first week only. Okay. Okay, now the most important thing, the exam pattern, which is the hottest topic, that no one knows the exam pattern of this, right? So definitely you know that I discussed this thing with some person who are already working there. Currently your exam pattern is not designed for this recruitment. Okay, in I guess 2 to 3 days they will design it, and they will publish in 5 to 10 days on official website, right? But obviously it is not like we will wait for 5 to 10 days to prepare for this exam. We will start our preparation from today only, correct? So now just listen carefully, what is your exam pattern. That for now what we will consider, okay, basic pattern will be same, like 120 questions you will get in 120 minutes you need to attempt, means 2 hours you will get. Okay, 1 mark positive marking, and there is no zero negative marking, you know this, correct? So this is the basic pattern which is fixed. Now sections, right? So see, the one section is confirmed, about that only we will start our preparation, section A. And about section B there is no confirmation or no plan yet, so that's why definitely some news I have got, but that news is not fixed, I can say. Okay, almost 80% that is fixed, but 20% doubt is there. And also I don't want to put burden on you guys in phase 1 itself. Okay, so no need to worry for that, we will focus whatever I will tell you, just follow that. Okay, and in phase 2 I will discuss the things, correct? So this is all about your exam pattern. And now you can see here, phase 1 means, yes, I will give you phase wise strategy for your Airport Authority of India recruitment 2023. And because of phase wise strategy you will get a dedicated path. Okay, you will get the deadline, and this will help you to prepare dedicatedly for our this recruitment, correct? Those who are already connected to Apna Government Job, they know the idea behind phase 1 and phase wise strategy. It is most powerful, and lots of students, if you use this properly, then definitely you will get lots of benefit, okay, as compared to all our India candidate, those who will fill this form. So I will recommend you to strictly stick to our phase wise strategy. Okay, so see, basically what is phase wise strategy, those who are new, for them. So your whole preparation I have divided into several phases. Okay, time to time I will be there to guide you guys that what you need to complete in this phase, and I will share period of that phase. For example, the period for phase 1, okay, we will start from tomorrow, that is 26th of July to, I can say, 4th of August. Okay, so this is your period of phase 1. So you can see 5 and this 4, 9 days you have approximately, right? So whatever subjects or topic I will mention later in the further slides, that you need to complete in this period only. Okay, you need to try your hard to complete this thing. Definitely if you are new student you will face some difficulty, so in that case you can take 2 to 3 days maximum as a backup days. Okay, 2 to 3 days maximum as a backup days you can consider. And if suppose some emergency will come, it is not like full smoothly we will do preparation from 26th to 4th, something happen in our life also, personal thing and everything. Okay, so because of that 2 to 3 days you can keep as a backup, okay, for your preparation. So I hope you understand that now what is your phase wise strategy. And now we will start with our first section or first subject, that is your aptitude. Now in aptitude, basically the 4 chapters you will complete in your phase 1, that is percentage, then ratio, average, and HCF and LCF. Okay, these 4 chapters you will do in your phase 1 itself. And from where you can prepare, So now listen this carefully, okay? Because those who are new, you need to understand this table, very important. See, basically now I have two students with me. One is new student, those who will target this recruitment for the first time, and other students are repeater, means those who are giving government job exam and they are aware of whatever the things and whatever the syllabus. Okay, they already completed some part of syllabus. This is called repeater. So now I will discuss one by one that for new student what is the strategy, for repeater what is the strategy, because obviously for both of you guys that it will be different, correct? So see, basically your whole preparation, there are three main stages. First stage is your concept building, second stage is your confidence building in that particular concept, and third stage is your exam level practice or final practice, I can say, okay, to go to the exam. So now this phase one is all about your concept building phase. Here you need to focus on concept building, okay? Don't look at your marks. Okay. Some of the student will give mock test and they will see the mark. Okay, obviously time will come and I will guide you when you can give the mock test, everything. But for now it's very important to build a concept. Remember what I told you, cutoff will be high, and if you follow top 20 top 30 questions of other coaching companies, okay, for your reminder, what coaching company did in the last recruitment, whatever happened, okay, that video also I will give you in the link in the comment section so that you can watch. That's why it is for awareness for you guys, because if you know and if you are following some coaching company, then you should stay alert, okay, and don't follow top 20 top 30, focus on building concept. And for concept building, basically now for aptitude, what book you can use? So RS Agarwal you can use, okay, those who are MSP student, you can use our videos and practice sheet for your preparation, okay. Then second, for practice, basically whatever questions are there in RS Agarwal, just do that. Along with that, we are starting our free master plan. Yes, so free master plan will be there, and I will launch this in your phase 2, okay. In your phase 2 I will launch your free master plan, so just wait for that. Then block-wise strategy in your master success pack. Now those who are already a master success pack student, okay, definitely in phase 2 we will start our block-wise strategy. Those who are new and want to know more about master success pack, if you want to join master success pack, if you are seriously preparing for this recruitment, because I want only serious student, and that is the reason that I am giving consistent selection in PSUs and central government. In Airport Authority of India also I have given the selection, but the condition should be you should seriously target this recruitment, then only you will get the result. Otherwise for time pass, if you are joining the MSP and you will think okay I will get it, no. What I told you that very high competition will be there for these 200 plus vacancies. So for that you need to prepare mentally, okay. First thing about MSP and everything, I will make that another video in which I will share what is MSP, what is the idea of MSP, what is the concept of MSP, and how you can use MSP to get selection, okay. Then now important thing for repeater. So I hope you know the concept, whatever 4 subject I told you, okay, just revise that, and then we will start free master plan. You will do that after block-wise study also. You will start, you will do that. Next thing, that Telegram PDF, okay. Now those who are new student, the first important thing you will do, in the comment section you will get the link of Telegram and WhatsApp group. Join that, right? So what will be, you will get basically all the updates related to this recruitment, also another notification related to other recruitments, okay, that you will get on in WhatsApp only. Then second thing, in Telegram, basically along with notification, daily Telegram PDF is there for practice purpose, okay. So now what I will recommend for new student, don't touch Telegram PDF, definitely join group, but do not touch for now, okay. What you can do, just prepare the 4 chapters and 4 subject, okay, and then after in your phase 2 you can prepare, or what you can do, suppose I completed percentage, right? So after completion of percentage, I will see whether any percentage question is there in Telegram PDF or not, and if there is question, I will attempt, okay. So this approach also you can follow. I have given you 2 options, that first keep the Telegram PDF, and second chapter wise you can see you can detect the question and you can solve that, correct. And those who are repeaters, so compulsory you will follow and you will solve all the questions of Telegram PDF, because I am assuming that already 70-80% syllabus of aptitude you have completed, correct. And then our exam level, definitely later we will prepare, no need to worry for now. When times come I will guide you guys, okay. So I hope you understand the process of our phase wise strategy. Now most of the things I will not repeat for the further sections, okay, it will remain same. So let's move to our second subject, that is your reasoning, and in the reasoning also we are taking 4 subjects, okay. Now those who are new, you will ask me, sir, what should we do? First we will complete aptitude and then we will move to a reasoning, or what we can do, right? So see, basically now this is your competitive exam, okay. This is not like your college exam where you are doing one subject and then you will go to the exam, then another subject, and then again you will go to exam. No, this is competitive exam. Here parallelly you need to take all the subject as soon as possible as you can, okay. For example, definitely I will share a routine in last, you can watch that last segment, but the main important thing is that parallelly means aptitude, reasoning, and whatever subject I will tell you, per day you need to study all the 4, okay. If you follow this approach, then only you are able to complete the whole syllabus or whatever syllabus is necessary within the time. Otherwise, definitely it will create lots of problem for you guys. Okay, so understand this, that parallelly target all the subjects. And in the reasoning, blood relation, direction test, Venn diagram, sitting arrangement, circular also and linear also. Okay, so this 4 chapters you will do in reasoning. Again, the resources will be same, that from which you can refer. You can use RS Agarwal book or any other, whatever you have notes material, you can refer that. Okay, then free master plan, block wise strategy, afterwards you will use. Now here also Telegram PDF, those who are new, don't follow for now. Just you can those who are repeaters, basically just follow Telegram PDF, and exam level practice we will do later. Okay, no need to worry for now. So this is all about your second subject. Now third, which is most important, that is your reasoning. So in reasoning, English we are taking now grammar. Okay, so now in grammar, basically in phase 1, what I want you to complete, let's understand verb. What is verb? Okay, then what is subject, then basic concept related to subject verb agreement. Okay, that concept you should know. What is singular, what is plural, that thing is you should know. Then what are voices, active voice, passive voice, then speeches, indirect speech, direct speech. Okay, then you can say most important tenses, tense, past tense, present tense. So get the basic idea about your English grammar, and then the application part we will do in phase 2. But for now, in phase 1, at least you can do this. Okay, gerund is also there, that you can also do. Then articles are also there, lots of things are there. So just get the idea that when to use the, when to use a, an, right? This idea you should get. So study about that. Now resources for English grammar. So basically now in our MSP, 2 things are there. Okay, one English ebook I am giving you, and another, with this you will get video lectures also. Now see, those who are preparing for whatever sources, first I will recommend you to use books only, because time is very less, and if you are watching videos, then it will consume lots of your time. Okay, so it's better to first go for the book. If you are not understanding from the book, then you can watch the videos, but until and unless, if you are until and unless, don't touch it. Okay, which is most important, because time is already less. And again, free master plan, blockwise strategy you will use afterwards in phase 2. Now basically here one twist is there for new student. Now here little change is there for new student, that Telegram PDF you will also access along with repeaters. Okay, repeater by default you should practice that, but for new student you should also use this Telegram PDF. Okay, and in Telegram PDF basically we are targeting synonym, then antonym part, then idiom part. Okay, this 3 part 1, and then spell check also we will target. So these are the few things we will do in our Telegram PDF. Okay, so this will be used by both the candidate, new student also and repeater also, correct? And exam level we will do later, correct? And the last thing that we will do is your GS and GK. Now listen carefully here. See, first in GS basically we are taking polity and history. Okay, now do not put so much effort here on polity and history. Basically what you can do, you can just revise, okay, or you can just take Lucent book, and from Lucent you can try to do or complete the things. Okay, you can quickly do the things from Lucent, it is easy. And after once you finish it, definitely make your notes, because you will read first time and last time. Okay, it is not like again after 1 month you will get the Lucent and again you will read. We don't have that much time. Whatever you are reading, okay, you will read for first time and last time. So just make sure this thing, and it's very important to make your notes. Like in history, what you can make, that when this battle happens, okay, at what date and everything, in which 2% that battle happened. Then in polity, which article is this, okay, this article we have taken from which constitute. So that's basic thing. Like this, I want one note for everything. Okay, one short note. Then this is all about your polity and history. Okay, and static GK you will do. Static GK also you can use Lucent, or second option you have, that is our Telegram PDF. Now how to use Telegram PDF smartly, understand carefully. See, basically now there are 3 Telegram PDF you will use now. The first is your general studies PDF. Okay, so daily you are getting one subject on our Telegram channel. Okay, suppose today you are getting history, then tomorrow you will get polity, day after tomorrow maybe economics, like that. So now here I told you to complete polity and history. So first complete polity, and if you are getting, after completion of polity, if you are getting polity PDF as a Telegram, then solve that questions. Okay, also you can refer previous PDF, just go to the file section and you will get all the previous PDF. Okay, there is no problem in that. And second, this is first PDF you will use. Second, for static GK, okay, second for static GK you will use MCQ PDF. In that you will get mixed MCQ questions. Okay, so that also you can use. And again for static GK, to strong your static GK, one PDF is there, that is daily table. Now see, what is the importance of daily table? So basically here daily you are getting information on one topic. Okay, suppose for example national park. What is the topic? National park. Okay, so in now in India, what your national park is there in each state, that information you will get in table format. Okay, so basically this will help you to revise also and to prepare also one topic fully. Like if you refer this table, then whole national park is done. Okay, one topic already is done of from your static GK, and also you can revise later also because of this table. So definitely this Telegram PDF or daily table is most powerful. Okay, so I hope you understand that for static GK you will use MCQ mix, where you are getting MCQ, that is mix, and daily table. Correct? Okay, so again, any source you can use, whatever I told you that you can use. Blockwise strategy Telegram PDF we will do later, and exam level also we will do later. Okay, so final words for all my Apna students: start with your phase 1 and dedicatedly prepare. See, this platform is consistently giving selection in PSU and central government, and if you want to your dream job, if you want your dream job, that is this recruitment, then just follow whatever I'm telling you, because lots of students just following strategy, MSP and everything got selected, and this package is very huge, that is 13 lakhs etc. Okay, so prepare very seriously, and again what I told you, that it's okay if you will not complete the whatever subject I told you in the specified period, you can take 2 to 3 days extra. Okay, there is no problem, there is nothing to get demotivated. Just important thing is that try your best to complete the things. Okay, maybe it will require 7 hours per day, maybe require 8 hours per day, depending on your routine. And if you want one-to-one guidance and everything, then MSP is there. Strictly I will recommend for those candidates, those who are giving this attempt as a last attempt of their life. Okay, strictly I will recommend you to join MSP, that is Master Pack, because I don't want that you should miss this opportunity because of lack of guidance, strategy and smart work. Right? Quickly tell you, let me tell you the routine. So how your routine should be like from tomorrow. Okay, today you can just gather resources, from tomorrow you can start your preparation as per our phase. So see, first suppose I in morning I wake up and I start with aptitude part, right? For aptitude I will take 2 hours first. Okay, then I will take reasoning after 2 hours, means after break obviously. Then suppose for reasoning also I am giving 2 hours. Okay, English also I can give 1 hour each day, daily I am telling you. And GKGS also I can give 2 hours, say you can do for GKGS. Okay, now obviously it will change as per you. If you are someone who feel difficulty in English, so you can make it 2, or you can make reasoning 1. It's up to you, you can change it. Okay, it's not fixed rule. Okay, I'm just telling you to give general idea. Correct? So here you can see, for the start only you will start with 7 hour. Okay, and slowly we will increase this period. Always remember that it is not important that how much hours you are studying. Okay, if you study quality also, then those who are preparing for 7 hours will have good amount or good concept, good hold on concept as compared to this 15-hour guy. Okay, so always focus on your quality, not quantity. It is not like on out of 24 I am studying 15 hours. Okay, but with so much distraction on one PC, YouTube is on. Okay, then I'm continuously checking my WhatsApp, then Instagram, and I'm preparing like that. Obviously this recruitment is not for you. Just turn off everything, shut down everything, and again don't get distracted by the coaching companies. Okay, this top 20 top 30 questions will not help you to prepare for this exam. Already I make the video that how coaching company ruined life of thousands of aspirants. In the comment section you will get the detailed case study. Just watch that video if you are new, and also I will recommend that share this video to all your friends so that they will not get trapped in their tactics. Okay, so this is all about your phase 1. I will meet you in phase 2 and form filling video on 5th of August. If you have any query, any doubt, then definitely you can comment down below. I will help you as soon as possible. And all the best. Join Telegram and WhatsApp group.